इब्तिदा है रब्ब जलील के बाबत नाम से जो लोगों को भी खूब जानता हूँ। देखिए हुकुम सुनते पुनः वो आमिर पास नाम पूछे और मेरे देखने वाले मोज़ेस व्यूअर्स को समझे। क्या आप भी ऐसी जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं जो आपके घर बैठे या ऑफलाइन दोनों मुमकिन हो? आज की वीडियो में आपके लिए खास मौके हैं जो आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल सकते हैं। ये मौका मत गंवाएं। Welcome back to my channel Hybrid Job, combining physical and online work. My viewers, great opportunity for finance and education professionals. The Pakistan Institute of Public Finance Accounts PIPFA, PIPFA has announced new government level vacancies, high salary, full-time position, and the last date to apply is 26 October 2025. So let's check complete detail, eligibility, benefit, and how to apply step by step. PIFA is a non-profit professional body working under Section 42 of the Companies Act 2017. It promotes accountancy and public finance qualification across Pakistan. If you are from an accounting, business, or finance background, this is an excellent career path. Available position: number 1, Director Education; number 2, Deputy Director Education. Eligibility criteria for Director Education: FCMA/FCA or equipment or PhD in accounting, business administration, economics or law. Minimum 5 years of post-qualification experience or master degree with 8 years of experience in related field. For Deputy Director Education, member of PIFA ICAP ICAM or equivalent recognized body, at least 3 years of relevant experience or master degree holder, MBA, MCom, NE, NEd, MPA, MA, Economics, MS, with 5 years of experience. Compensation and job type: full-time positions. Salary and other benefit will be commensurate with experience. How to apply? Visit official PIFA website www.piffa.org.pk. Career opportunities. Application through courier or email are not accepted. Incomplete or partially filled application will be rejected. Last date to apply. Important tips: before applying, make sure you have all experience certificates and transcript ready. Read full job description on PIFA site under the Career with PIFA section by 26 October 2025. If you meet the qualification, don't wait, apply now and share it video with your friend. Someone dream job might be here, and don't forget to subscribe to Hybrid Jobs, combining physical and online work, for daily job updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to my channel Hybrid Job, combining physical and online work.